Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and today is day 8 of our 365-day challenge to show you sewing makes made by me. And today is a very exciting day because, as you can see, I have a special guest.
Whoopee!
This is my husband Dayle, and he has agreed so cheerfully to be a model today. So today I'll be showing you McCalls 7841. It is a pattern for a hoodie or sweatshirt that has either the kangaroo pocket or side seam pockets. You can make it with a hood or without. Show you the line drawings. The hood is lined. And so here is Dayle giving you a twirl. That is a great twirl.
I like the sleeves.
You like the sleeves?
They're long enough. Some people have long arms. Some people don't. Camouflage color. Good. You can't find me when the dishwasher needs loading.
It's made out of a polar fleece. Is it cozy?
Nice and warm. Hood's the right size. Some people's heads are bigger than others.
And he wears it a lot on the farm, outside doing chores. It has a kangaroo pocket in the front. I didn't put any string in the hood. Just puts his hood up over top his hat. Has self bands on the wrists and on the bottom. Yeah, so what would you say?
It's good.
It's good? All right, give us another twirl. Excellent.
Hood's big enough. I like it.
Excellent. So that is McCalls 7841. I've actually made this 4 times, 3 for Dayle and 1 for our daughter, and you'll eventually get to see them all. And I will probably make it again. It's a real winner, this one. And before I leave, I just want to tell you what my grateful thread is for today. I am very grateful for my dear husband, who is a good sport and came along and helped out today and supports me pretty much in any crazy scheme I got going. So I'm very grateful for that. I would love to hear what you're feeling grateful for today, and I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun.